Newton's law of universal gravitation describes one of the most fundamental forces in the universe. This law explains the attraction between masses, revealing how objects pull on each other through the force of gravity. From planets orbiting the sun to an apple falling from a tree, this single principle governs gravitational interactions everywhere in the cosmos. The fundamental concept behind universal gravitation is beautifully simple yet profound. Every mass in the universe attracts every other mass with a gravitational force. This means that you are not only attracted to the Earth, but also to the Moon, the Sun, and even to objects around you. The force exists between all objects with mass, no matter how large or small. Newton expressed this gravitational attraction mathematically with the formula F equals G times m1 times m2 divided by r squared. This elegant equation captures the essence of how gravity works. The force F represents the gravitational attraction between two objects. This formula allows us to calculate the exact force of gravity between any two masses in the universe. Let's break down each component of the formula. F represents the gravitational force between the two masses, measured in newtons. G is the universal gravitational constant, a value that remains the same throughout the universe. m1 and m2 represent the masses of the two objects attracting each other. Finally, r is the distance between the centers of the two masses. The force is directly proportional to the product of the two masses. This means that if you double either mass, the gravitational force doubles as well. If you double both masses, the force becomes 4 times stronger. The larger the masses involved, the stronger the gravitational pull between them. This is why massive objects like planets and stars exert such powerful gravitational forces. The force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the masses. This is called the inverse square law. If you double the distance between two objects, the gravitational force becomes 1/4 as strong. If you triple the distance, the force becomes 1/9 as strong. This means gravity weakens rapidly as objects move farther apart, but it never completely disappears. The gravitational constant, G, has a value of 6.674 times 10 to the power -11 Newton-meter squared per kilogram squared. This is an extremely small number, which explains why we don't feel gravitational attraction to everyday objects around us. However, this constant is universal, meaning it has the same value everywhere in the universe, from Earth to the most distant galaxies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.